welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. I've been meaning to make this video for a really long time. But I'm finally getting down to doing it, and I'm going to show you guys everything that I do. Now my eyebrows are naturally pretty thick and don't really need I don't have to draw a shape or anything because the shape is pretty much already there. So I usually just fill in with my e.l.f. brow pencil. I just got this and I reviewed it in a first impressions that you should definitely go watch if you haven't already. It comes with a little spoolie on the back. I got it in the shade neutral brown. But today I'm going to be showing you how I get a really thick, deep brow. Something that I would usually wear with a really dramatic look or maybe a Halloween look or something. I would only use a pencil if I was going for a more natural look. So first I'm going to go in with a black, First I'm going to go in with this little liner brush. I think any lining brush would work, but I like this one because it's pretty thin and I'm able to get fake hairs with it. And I'm going to go in with my Kokie Professional Brow Pomade Gel. This stuff is really nice. It can dry up a little bit, but you just have to load it on your brush and then take it on the back of your hand and it'll help warm it up. I'll take the spoolie on the back of this pencil brush, just brush up my hairs. Then I go in and start at the tail of the brow and just drag it back. And then I just go in and outline the whole bottom of my eyebrow. This is so hard for me to do on camera because I usually do this off camera and I don't have to worry about being in the view, I don't have to worry about whether you guys are able to see or not. I feel like when it comes to brows, it's really personal preference. I can't tell you how to fill in your brows because your brows may be completely different than mine. Everybody's eyebrows are different. Literally no two people's eyebrows are the same. So I can't really tell you how to do your eyebrows. You just have to figure out what works best for you. If you have similarly shaped eyebrows, then this can work for you. Or if you just need some explaining on how to do certain things, or you need a new technique or whatever, then that's what this video is for. Now I'm going to start at the top of my brow, and I'm going to start right on the arch and bring it down to meet the bottom line. And there it is, the outline. That's all you have to do. And just brush through it. Now I'm going to create the hair strokes in the front. So I'm just going to take my brush and I'm going to put it perpendicular to my face and just lightly drag it upwards. And there you go. You have the hairs. And make sure when you're going with your spoolie, you brush upwards to blend those fake hairs. Because if you were to blend this way, then it's obviously going to mess it up and it won't look like hair strokes anymore. So you want to be gentle and precise when you're combing out your brows or brushing them through. Now I'm going to take the actual pencil and I'm just going to fill in the rest of the brow. And I'm just doing light feathering strokes. And then again, going through and brushing. Bam, there's the brow. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer. This is the Eyebrow Pro Conceal, and this is in Creamy Beige. And I'm just gonna take it underneath my brow, right on my brow bone, and clean up underneath so that it looks more sharp, clean, neat. I'm really sorry if you couldn't see me doing any of that. I can't do my brows on camera. I don't know why. But then again, if you could see me do all that, just ignore everything I just said. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my finger and blend this concealer underneath. And I'm making sure to tap in the front, because if I were to blend or move the product around, it would kind of erase the brow a little bit. So I just want to make sure I'm tapping to keep the product in that place, but to still blend it out. Okay, I'm gonna do the other brow off camera. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it on camera, but I'm gonna speed through it a little bit so you guys don't have to watch me or listen to me explain it all over again. And I will be right back. By the way, do you guys like the little fishies in the background? I don't know if you can even see them. Like, I don't know if they're swimming around that close to the floor. Oh yeah, you can kind of see them. I thought it would be cute or whatever. Just remember, your brows don't have to look exactly the same. They're just supposed to be sisters, not twins. Sometimes they look like cousins. That's okay. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, so these are my brows done. This is what they look like up close. It took me a long time to figure out what I wanted to do with my brows because I felt like every time I always did them, they were always too dark or too bold, and I felt like my brows were too bushy because I have a lot of hair on my brows. But then I realized, like, I don't have to completely fill them in. Like, I can fill in the bald spots like I have on this eye. It's just a bald spot right here that I literally, hair never grows there. It never has, probably never will. And I learned, like, that's all I need to fill in. I don't need to fill in from the front to the tail completely because it's already pretty full or filled in, you know? But I do like to have some sort of a dramatic eyebrow when I have a dramatic look going on. And yeah, so that's it done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something, learned how to I don't know, maybe you just liked watching me fill in my brows. That's cool too. Make sure you show that love and leave this video a like and a comment and subscribe because there will definitely be more coming to this channel. And you'll definitely want to stay tuned because I'm pretty awesome or whatever. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.